Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare yogurt at home. Yogurt can be prepared from the following materials. These are powdered milk, sugar, and culture. The culture used here can be thermophilic culture, also known as DVS, or an already prepared yogurt can also be used as culture. Other materials used for preparing yogurt are preservative, which can be sodium benzoate, and flavor. Now heat some clean water to boiling point and pour it into a bowl. Now dissolve about 300 grams of powdered milk in the hot water. When dissolving the milk in the water, try not to let it form lumps. Stir it very hard. Now sieve the mixture in case lumps are formed. Now the next thing you should do is to cool the temperature of the liquid to about between 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. You can use a thermometer to do this, or you can simply use your hands to feel the heat of the container. Just make sure that it is not a burning temperature. It should be lukewarm. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of already prepared yogurt to the mixture, and if you're using thermophilic culture, also known as DVS, just use a pinch of it. Now pour the mixture into a thermal flask and allow it to stand for about 7 hours. After that, you can now add your sugar, preservative, flavor and any other ingredient you may wish to add to it. Please note that the thickness of the yogurt depends on the amount of water used. To prepare a very thick yogurt, use less water to dissolve the milk. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your yogurt is ready for consumption. Please always keep your yogurt refrigerated because the shelf life of yogurt is very short. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SLTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.